What if I told you that one simple habit, eating garlic before bed, could transform your immunity, heart health, brain function, and even help you burn belly fat? Sounds unbelievable, right? But science backs it up. Garlic isn't just a kitchen staple. It's a powerhouse of healing compounds that work with your body's natural nighttime repair processes to deliver astonishing benefits. From fighting antibiotic-resistant infections and clearing clogged arteries, to shielding your brain from Alzheimer's and promoting deeper sleep, garlic is nature's ultimate multitasker. And the best part? You only need 1 clove a night to see results. So if you're ready to unlock the full power of garlic, stick around, because these 9 science-backed benefits might just convince you to make it a nightly ritual. Kills bacteria and viruses. Garlic's potent compound, allicin, acts as a powerful natural antibiotic, making it highly effective against harmful bacteria and viruses. A study published in the Journal of Immunology revealed that allicin can even combat antibiotic-resistant strains like MRSA by breaking down the protective cell walls. Consuming raw garlic at night enhances its benefits as it works synergistically with your immune system, which is most active during sleep. To maximize allicin's potency, crush a clove and let it sit for 10 minutes before ingestion. This allows the enzyme reaction that produces the bioactive compound. Swallowing it with a teaspoon of honey not only eases the strong taste, but also helps neutralize garlic's acidity, making it gentler on the stomach. 2. Unclogs arteries. Heart attack prevention. Garlic contains powerful compounds like azoine and S-allylcysteine, which help dissolve arterial plaque and improve cardiovascular health. A study published in Cardiovascular Research found that consuming garlic nightly reduced LDL cholesterol by 27% in just 3 months, outperforming some statin drugs in improving artery function. The sulfur compounds in garlic not only lower cholesterol, but also prevent plaque buildup, reducing the risk of heart attacks and strokes. For even greater benefits, fermented black garlic is an excellent choice, as it contains higher levels of antioxidants and is gentler on digestion. Pairing it with olive oil enhances absorption of its heart protective compounds, making it a simple yet powerful addition to your nightly routine for long-term heart health. 3. Lowers blood pressure naturally. Garlic is a proven natural remedy for hypertension, thanks to its ability to stimulate nitric oxide production, which helps relax and widen blood vessels for better circulation. A study published in Hypertension found that consuming just 2 cloves of garlic daily reduced blood pressure by an average of 11 millimeters of mercury, systolic, and 5 millimeters of mercury, diastolic. Results comparable to some prescription medications. The sulfur compounds in garlic, particularly allicin, work synergistically with the body's nighttime repair processes, making evening consumption especially effective. However, those on blood thinners, like warfarin, should use caution, as garlic's natural anti-platelet properties can amplify their effects. For a safe and potent dose, try roasting garlic to mellow its intensity, while preserving its cardiovascular benefits. 4. Detoxifies heavy metals. Liver cleanse. Garlic's sulfur-rich compounds, particularly allicin and selenium, act as potent detoxifiers by binding to toxic heavy metals like lead, mercury, and cadmium, and facilitating their elimination from the body. A study in Toxicology Reports demonstrated that regular garlic consumption reduced lead toxicity by 19% in just 4 weeks, protecting organs, especially the liver, from metal-induced damage. For enhanced detoxification, pairing garlic with cilantro creates a powerful chelation synergy, as cilantro's unique compounds help mobilize metals from tissues while garlic supports their excretion. Try blending both into a nightly dressing or sauce to support natural detox pathways safely and effectively. Note: if undergoing heavy metal detox, consult a healthcare provider to avoid rapid toxin release. 5. Prevents Alzheimer's. Emerging research reveals garlic's remarkable ability to defend against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. The key compound, fruarg, found in garlic, has been shown to stimulate brain cell repair and reduce oxidative stress in neural tissue. A groundbreaking study in neurobiology of aging found that regular garlic consumption was associated with a 62% lower risk of dementia, likely due to its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects on the brain. For optimal cognitive benefits, aged garlic extract is particularly potent. Its unique aging process increases bioavailable sulfur compounds while eliminating garlic's harshness. Take 1 to 2 capsules of aged garlic extract at night, or blend raw garlic into a brain-boosting smoothie with walnuts and blueberries for synergistic protection against cognitive decline. Aged garlic extract has milder odor while maintaining therapeutic benefits, ideal for long-term brain health regimens. Fights insomnia. Garlic's unique combination of zinc and sulfhydryl compounds helps regulate the body's natural melatonin production, acting as a powerful sleep aid. Clinical research in sleep medicine demonstrated that participants who consumed garlic before bed fell asleep 15 minutes faster compared to placebo, thanks to its ability to support neurotransmitter balance and reduce nighttime inflammation. For a soothing sleep-inducing remedy, try pairing roasted garlic with warm milk. This combination leverages garlic's mineral content alongside milk's tryptophan, creating a natural sedative effect without grogginess. Blend 1 to 2 roasted garlic cloves into a cup of warm milk with a pinch of nutmeg, a traditional sleep enhancer, 30 minutes before bedtime for deeper, more restorative sleep. 7. Burns belly fat. Garlic's ability to activate UCP2 proteins triggers a unique fat-burning mechanism, essentially forcing stubborn fat cells, especially around the abdomen, to expend energy as heat. A nutrition and metabolism study revealed that participants who consumed garlic daily lost 3 times more waist circumference compared to the placebo group in just 6 weeks. This effect is amplified at night when the body's metabolic repair processes are most active. For accelerated results, combine crushed raw garlic with 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar before bed. This powerful duo enhances digestion, stabilizes blood sugar, and amplifies fat oxidation while you sleep. Mix 1 minced garlic clove activated for 10 minutes with ACV in warm water. Add a dash of cayenne pepper for an extra metabolic kick. Those with acid reflux should take this remedy earlier in the evening. 8. Kills candida and gut parasites. Garlic's allicin is a formidable antifungal and antiparasitic agent, capable of penetrating the protective biofilms that candida and other gut pathogens use to shield themselves. Remarkably, a microbiology study demonstrated that garlic completely eradicated candida albicans in lab tests, outperforming the prescription drug fluconazole. For a full gut reset, pair raw garlic with coconut yogurt. The garlic attacks harmful microbes while the probiotics in yogurt replenish beneficial bacteria. For best results, crush a garlic clove, let it activate for 10 minutes, and combine it with a tablespoon of coconut yogurt to create a powerful nightly gut cleansing remedy. Who should avoid nightly garlic? GERD sufferers may trigger heartburn. Pre-surgery patients impacts blood clotting. Those on HIV medications interferes with drug metabolism. Ready to try it? Start with half clove nightly and increase gradually. Share your results below. Don't forget to like and follow for more science-backed health upgrades. Thanks for watching, and here's to better health, 1 garlic clove at a time.